Meet the F-47, a new titan ruling the skies, America's first true 6th-generation fighter built for air dominance, faster, smarter, and deadlier than any before, a symbol of American ingenuity. The F-47 commands the sky, directing teams of autonomous drones. It's the cornerstone of future American defense. The future of air dominance has begun. The F-47's journey began with the Next Generation Air Dominance program, a bold vision to leap beyond the F-22 Raptor. In 2025, after fierce competition, Boeing won the $20 billion contract to build this revolutionary fighter. The Pentagon fast-tracked development, even reallocating billions from the F-35 program to make the F-47 a top priority. The need was urgent. Rivals like China and Russia were closing the gap with advanced stealth fighters and missile systems. The F-47 was engineered to restore American overmatch, built for survivability, lethality, and adaptability in the world's most contested airspace. Boeing's St. Louis facility, with its legacy of legendary jets, became the cradle for the F-47. The timeline is ambitious. Initial operational capability is targeted between 2025 and 2029. This rapid pace reflects the critical need for the F-47's capabilities. The F-47 is not just an aircraft, it's America's answer to staying ahead in a dangerous world. Its creation is a testament to strategic foresight and national resolve. The future of air power is being built now. The F-47 is a technological marvel, setting a new standard for fighter jets. It reaches speeds over Mach 2 and boasts a combat range of 1,800 kilometers, striking deep while staying safe. Its Stealth Plus technology makes it nearly invisible, even to the most advanced enemy radars. The F-47 is a ghost in hostile airspace, dismantling defenses before the enemy knows it's there. Inside, a powerful AI acts as a true co-pilot, handling complex tasks and freeing the pilot to make critical decisions. The jet serves as a flying command center, orchestrating swarms of autonomous drones for unmatched situational awareness. Its large internal weapons bay carries next-generation missiles, including hypersonic weapons, while maintaining stealth. The F-47 is a true multi-role master: air superiority, deep strikes, and suppression of enemy defenses. It's designed to dominate any mission, anywhere, anytime. This is the future of air combat. The F-47's capabilities redefine what's possible in the sky. It's the ultimate force multiplier. Comparing the F-47 to the F-35 is like comparing a supercomputer to a decade-old laptop. The F-35 is a formidable 5th-generation fighter, but the F-47 leaps into the 6th generation. The F-47's AI co-pilot and drone command abilities make it the coach, general manager, and star player all in one. Its Stealth Plus tech is built for a future where even advanced radars can't find it, unlike the F-35, which could be at risk. The F-47 is designed to go where no other fighter can, ensuring pilot survivability in the most dangerous environments. Meanwhile, the F-35 is getting major upgrades, aiming to reach 80% of the F-47's capabilities at half the cost. This creates a high-low mix: the F-47 for the most critical missions, upgraded F-35S as the backbone of the force. The strategy ensures a balanced, lethal, and affordable air force. Together, these jets project power worldwide, blending reliability with revolutionary technology. The F-47 and F-35 form a symbiotic team for the future. Air dominance is now a team effort. The F-47 is the centerpiece of a new strategic triad for American air dominance. First, the F-47 leads as the air superiority fighter and tactical command node, kicking down the door for others. Second, the B-21 Raider stealth bomber follows, delivering devastating payloads deep into enemy territory. The F-47 clears the path, the B-21 strikes with precision. Third, the Navy's F/A-XX, its own 6th-generation fighter, secures the seas, operating from aircraft carriers. Together, these platforms form a seamless web of air power, operating from land and sea. Advanced data networks link them, sharing real-time information for total battlespace awareness. Each platform specializes, multiplying the effectiveness of the whole. This integrated, networked approach defines the next generation of air warfare. The F-47, B-21, and F/A-XX create a force greater than the sum of its parts. This is the future of joint air power. The F-47 isn't just for America, it's a critical asset for key allies, especially Israel. U.S. law ensures Israel's qualitative military edge, and the F-47 keeps it a generation ahead as neighbors seek advanced jets. Israel is expected to be among the first to receive a specialized F-47 variant, continuing a tradition of close defense ties. Integrating Israeli systems may be challenging, and future US aid is uncertain, but Israel is exploring options to secure its edge. The F-47's presence in the Middle East is a powerful deterrent, reshaping the regional balance and reinforcing alliances. Its deep strike and stealth capabilities give Israel the reach to neutralize threats far beyond its borders. Beyond Israel, the F-47 reassures allies in Europe and the Indo-Pacific, strengthening collective defense. Its ability to network with allied forces enhances interoperability and unity. The F-47 is a shield for America and its partners. It's a symbol of shared security in an uncertain world. Even the most advanced jet is useless if it can't be built. The F-47's ambitious timeline faces a major challenge: labor disputes at Boeing's St. Louis plant. In 2025, over 3,200 union workers rejected a contract, threatening a strike that could delay the F-47 and disrupt Navy programs. A prolonged stoppage would jeopardize America's air dominance, making labor negotiations as critical as engineering breakthroughs. The plant is transitioning from the F/A-18 to the F-47, a moment of both opportunity and vulnerability. A strike could halt progress on both jets, raising the stakes for national security. The future of air power depends on skilled hands and cooperation as much as cutting-edge tech. The F-47 is a testament to what America can achieve when united. It's more than a fighter jet. It's the future of allied defense and global stability. Ensuring its timely production is a national imperative. The next era of air dominance depends on everyone working together.